To commemorate the founding of New Orleans in 1718, WYES presents this Tricentennial moment in celebration of our city's past and present.
It's no overstatement to say Dave Bartholomew introduced the world to the New Orleans sound. He called it the Big Beat, that unmistakable piano and horn-driven sound of New Orleans rock and roll. Dave Bartholomew knew it better than anyone else. Dave was born on Christmas Eve in 1918 in Edgard, Louisiana. He was a band leader, a trumpet player, a songwriter, producer, and arranger. He used those skills to form a hit-making partnership with Antoine Fats Domino. In 1949, years after Dave had made a name for himself in the local music scene as a band leader and trumpeter, he was working as a talent scout for Imperial Records and discovered Fats performing in a neighborhood bar. Their first collaboration, The Fat Man, would send them both down the road to music gold. Dave became Fats' producer, co-writer, and arranger on a string of huge hits throughout the 50s and 60s. Blue Monday, I'm Walkin', Ain't That a Shame, and many more recorded here in New Orleans at Cosmo Matas's studio.
I don't think it was the birth of rock and roll because you had a lot of people doing it before us. We got more attention than anybody else.
Many have said Dave's sense of discipline helped focus Fats' talent in a way few others could have.
I asked Cosmo Matas, and he said, without Dave Bartholomew, there would not be a Fats Domino. He said, without Fats Domino, there would not be the Dave Bartholomew we know today.
That's true.
I mean, did you guys really kind of worked off each other? I mean, did you have any idea what you guys were creating at that time?
Well, one complements the other.
Dave also worked with other chart-topping artists, producing Lawdy Miss Clawdy for Lloyd Price and I Hear You Knockin' for Smiley Lewis, just to name two. Dave himself recorded a national R&B hit with Country Boy back in 1950. In recent years, Dave was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, the Songwriters Hall of Fame, and earned a special Grammy Trustees Award, one of many ways the music industry paid tribute to one of its founding fathers. With this WYES Tricentennial moment, I'm Eric Paulson.
WYES's New Orleans Tricentennial Moments are brought to you by the Miro Foundation and presented in association with the historic New Orleans Collection.